Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Hello guys, I hope you are all well and also enjoying my channel Max the Service where I am going to explain every technology aspect from one by one. So also please do comments and ask me if you really need something special regarding technology, and someone from England also sent me text that okay, please also start working on agent AI agent. So I will also start working after this DevOps series. So today I'm going to uh, show the practical examples. Like in last session, we have discussed all the components and architecture of microservice and what are the major components of Spring Cloud, which is Eureka, API Gateway, config, and service itself. Also, we discuss Arch service, which is beyond this architecture. We also separated this functionality. Now, from today, I'm going to implement this all this infrastructure. First of all, I will be starting with Eureka, which is discovery and registry service. It will register what every service you have in your project, and also it's a Eureka server, and then you have to define any service you want to be part of this registry. Then you have to define as any other service as a client. So it will automatically update any information related to any service if it is registered with Eureka server. Okay, to create a service, okay, first of all you need to create any other project. Like we have Spring, sorry, start dot spring.io. Okay, here you will be just going and spring.io. Okay, let me, I just by mistake click on aeroplane mode. That's why I'm not able to connect. Okay, now I will just hit enter. Here I will just name to name this service and need to provide all these mandatory information. So what is his name? It's a registry service. So discovery or registry, whatever, both are the concept of registry and discovery. Discovery actually is identifying the services new assigned to it. Registry, it's mean registering all these services. So it's a like jar. We are going to develop it with 17, and uh, here we need to send the group. So let me check what already we have, like with demo. So I need to check what the grouping we already have set. Okay, demo. Okay, Max the service DevOps. Okay, and demo artifact name, actually I'm going to name it registry service. Okay, so registry service, it's the name of this project, and again demo, I can say registry. Okay, registry, here is also registry. So create and explore. So I also want to add some dependencies, like I can add Eureka server. Okay, Here is also Eureka Server Discovery client, and so we need sprinkle out this server. Any other dependency? I don't believe. So just create. So we have created, then I will be going to this download, and I will extracting this, extract to registry, and here I will just copy this project and I'll move to our DevOps, and here is software Maxi service. Here we already have demo and demo UI, so I'll be pasting here. Now I'll be moving to here, and there should be registry. Here you can see. So now what other changes we need to do with this registry? Let me check. There must be a main file, registry application, and here I just need to enable one annotation, which is enable Eureka Server. Okay, so this will make this application registry to register every service which we have, like we have demo. Okay, this is a service, demo UI, actually UI front end. So we need to make this demo as a client, and this will be our server, registry server. So after this, I need to check with the dependency in POM file. There must be dependency like Eureka server. Okay, then we also can add like actuator, any other dependency if we want, to also check the health and something else. So right now I am just focusing on what we are going to discover. So now I need to run this application. Now we have our registry server, and we also need to add some properties, like we also need to add server port equal to 8761. Okay, then we also need to provide, here is its name. We can also provide name after port after name. Then we also need to provide uh, information that this instance don't need to share its information with other Eureka server, because this is itself a server and we don't need to share its information, this registry's information, with other Eureka server. For that we need to set information like Eureka register with Eureka false, because it is already Eureka, so this instance don't need to register itself with other, so that's why. And other information, we can also provide that this should not work as a client instance. Okay, what is that property? We just need to provide here, that is Eureka fetch registry. Okay, false, because it's not a client. So other Eureka server, if will fetch this its information, then it will, like if I show you on the diagram, So we restricted this Eureka server to share its information with other if there is other registry server. Okay. Our this Eureka server will never share information with other Eureka server. And also if there is other Eureka server and fetching information considering this Eureka server what we have developed registry, it will not allow to share its information to this Eureka server, other discovery server. So these are the two information I just added. Now guys, we have created our registry server and just I will be going to run this mvn. First I will run maven clean install to install all the dependencies we need. Because we already have run this and just for safe side I am going to run it again. And now it will start. To just do some test, everything went well. So now I will run mvn. So what is the command? Maven Spring Boot run. So it will run the application. Otherwise you can also run from here as well. Great. So your application is running, updating port this, and now we need to check either we can see this registry server, our discovery server running or not. So here just I will be using localhost, port we define 877. Great. So guys, here you can see it's running on localhost and all the other information as well. There is no any application as a instance running with Eureka. So definitely when we will be running a client and registering with the Eureka server, it will be available here, and it's here we can see information and status up and running with the IP address. Now because we have this application as a server, okay, here you can see this one. Okay guys, today we have created registry or discovery server, and this service, what is the purpose of this service, just why we use Eureka server. Let me explain you little bit more. Actually Eureka server is a service that plays a central role of automatic detection of devices like services. Okay, automatically whenever we any service will get up and registered as a client, it will detect and allowing service instance to register themselves and facilitate service discovery, right. Actually key concept of Eureka server include client registration and service discovery. What is client registration? These are clients of this Eureka server. All instances of these microservices will automatically get registered with Eureka server. And what is service discovery? Actually Eureka server maintains a registry of all the client. These are the clients or application running on different ports and IP wherever. Okay, so in next session we will creating Eureka clients so that our demo application will get registered with this, and we can see on the dashboard that it is also appearing on the Eureka server. So there are a lot of benefits like if we want centralized service registry, automatic registration, load balance, health check, integration with service server cloud. Okay, so most of the use cases include microservice architecture, distributed system, a load balancer. We use this discovery service. Okay, so let's connect in next session. We will be creating more application, Spring Boot application, and we will configuring those all those services as a client, and then we see how these application get registered and how we can monitor with discovery. And onward we will be using creating another application like API gateway, and also we will be creating centralized configuration for all these services along with auth service. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.